Good morning friends, today it's 8th of September 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. Last week we have seen that Nifty has bounced back. It started September month on a positive note and from the lows of 24,400 which was made in August closing, index bounced back to test the highs of 24,980 and it ended last week on a positive note at 24,741, up 1.29%. As per the price study, the index in short term is in consolidation phase between 24,350 and 25,280 odd levels, with the range to up outlook once sustained above 24,850 levels this week. Going forward, in short term, as per the price and pattern study, the index remains above crucial midterm support of 24,400, 24,000 zone, which we have been saying since last few weeks to months now, that holding above this zone, the bias will be range to pull back. We continue to hold the same ongoing outlook with the immediate hurdle at around 24,850 and 25,850, which need to be taken off in order to witness short covering and fresh decent buying interest, else the index continues to remain within a range. This week initial trading range can be 24,350, 24,350 and 25,280 with a silver line of 24,700 and 24,850 levels, above which the bias will remain in favor of bulls. Holding above these levels, that is 24,700 and 24,850, one can look for and expect for higher levels of 25,350 to 25,550 zone. Overall, the positional trend and pattern remains range to up till the time index is trading over and above 24,000, 23,800 zone, expecting a pullback once again towards 25,350, 550 zone, which need to be taken off for major short covering of fresh buying interest. As per OI data for 9 September, the index has maximum call build-up at 25,000 strike and 25,500 strikes, while the maximum put build-up is at 24,000 and 24,600 strikes, indicating a tug of war level at around 24,500. So as per the OI data, holding over and above 24,500, the bias will remain in range with range to positive outlook. For the day today, Nifty futures can be within a range of 24,720 and 25,040 with buy on dip outlook towards 24,770 and 24,620 with a potential target come resistance at around 25,040 and 25,150. If we talk about Bank Nifty futures, which ended last week at 54,365 levels, we have seen that it has initially slipped down from the highs of 57,628 to the lows of 53,606, that is almost 7% in last 10 weeks, before bouncing back in September first week from the lows of 53,561. It bounced back to highs of 54,450 and ended last session at 54,365 levels, up 0.86%. So going forward, as per the price study, we continue to hold the ongoing broader outlook that technically till the time it is trading below 56,250, the downside is still open, upside is capped. 56,250 remains the major short to midterm target come resistance, which need to be taken off of short covering, while on the lower end 53,500 and lower are support levels. For this week, 53,500 can be looked as a silver line between bulls and bears as per the price study, holding over which the bias will remain range to slightly positive with the resistance at around 55,000, 55,500 levels. For the intraday today, Bank Nifty futures 54,120 and 53,990 are the support levels which can be looked for buying, with the expected target come resistance at around 54,720 and 54,950, which can be looked for contra trading short bets, keeping strict stop loss of 100 points. As per the monthly wide data for Bank Nifty, maximum call build-up is at around 57,000 call and 54,000 put has the maximum build-up, which indicates immediate support and tug of war. So till the time Bank Nifty is holding over and above 54,000 mark, as per the price and OI data, the bias remains upside, downside capped with a pullback outlook. Net for this week as a whole, for Nifty spot, the broader trading band can be 24,400 and 25,250 with a silver line of 24,700. So Nifty spot trading over and above 24,700 will be open for higher levels. In respect with Bank Nifty futures, the broader trading band for this week can be 53,500 and 55,500 levels with a silver line of 54,000 mark. So Bank Nifty holding over and above 54,000 this week can be traded with a range to positive outlook, expecting higher levels. In respect of the sectors, we have shared the report, and we believe that the sectors like metal space, FMCG and BFCs can remain in focus, and buy on dip remains the outlook in these sectors. Selective trading ideas and investment bets will be shared during market hours. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.